Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is AMMIT Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about 11th house of your birth chart. First of all, I'm going to talk about what 11th house represent in your birth chart. 11th house is a house of your fulfillment of wishes and desires, your younger siblings, your friends, your social circle, your network. 11th house is a house of your fulfillment of desires. 11th house is a house of your source of earning, how much money you earn in your life, whole life, and which type of source of earning you have in your life. 11th house is a house of materialistic gains as well as spiritual gains. If you have 11th lord is in 11th house and that is a friendly relation with your ascendant sign, it means you will achieve lot of goals in your life, you will achieve lot of milestones in your life will be sky high, you will be rise a lot in your life if 11th lord is in 11th house, and that is friendly relation with your ascendants. Now I'm going to talk about 11th lord is in 11th house. So guys, if your 11th lord is in 11th house, you are very fortunate in the terms of friends. You're very fortunate in the terms of your siblings. Your friends and your siblings will support you. You will contact with a higher authority. Your friends are very rich and your friends are always ready to support you. If 11th lord is in 11th house, a native is very calculative, a native who know how to multiply the money. If 11th lord is in 11th house, maximum natives are very calculative mind. You may do job, you may do your business, but you will get lot of gains in your professional life because 11th house is strong position in your birth chart. You are very spiritual, you are very god fearing, you are always visit to temple or gurdwara because you are very near to your religion. If 11th lord is in 11th house, these type of people never cheat anyone if 11th lord is in 11th house, and they enjoy all type of luxury and all type of materialistic gains if 11th lord is in 11th house. So now I'm going to talk about if 11th lord is in 12th house, you will get gains from foreign land. You have a lot of business partner in your foreign land, and you may settle in foreign land as well, and the settlement of abroad is a highly beneficial for you. Good gains are also seen as per dynamics position. If 12th lord also plays in a well position, then you will get lot of benefits from foreign land. But 11th lord is in 12th house, it simply shows you will get lot of money from your foreign land. You have a large circle of friends in foreign land, and all friends are always ready to help you, always support you. Now I'm going to talk about 11th lord is in first house. You are very spiritual. If 11th lord is in first house, you love your luxury. You always love to wear a nice clothes. You always love to concentrate on your looking personality. You are very charming personality. You have a large circle of friends. Every friends are very helping to you. You are always ready to help your friends. You have a you can say you have a ability to organize a big community because 11th lord is in first house. 11th lord is in first house give you lot of gains spiritually as well as monetary. You know how to multiply the money, you know how to rise a life, and you will become very fortunate in the term of business or job if 11th lord is in first house. And your focus is always is on your looking personality. If 11th lord, you are very attractive personality and people get attract from you if 11th lord is in first house. Now I'm going to talk about 11th lord is in second house. This is create a dhani yoga. If your 11th lord is in second house, this is a wonderful position. 11th lord is in second house, it creates a dhani yoga in your birth chart. Those type of native know how to multiply money. They will get source of earning from multiple source. Their savings are lot, they will earn lot of money, and they earn money, they know how to earn, they know how to save money. 11th lord is in second house, always give fantastic results in the terms of family, in the terms of friends, in the terms of making money, savings, and everything you will get easy in your life. And if second lord or 11th lord mutual change with each other and any dasha or mahadasha is started of 11th lord or second lord, it means you become very fortunate, and this will be a golden period of your life. So now I am going to talk about 11th lord in the second house. That native are always ready to support our family. That native are blessed in the terms of family. They live in a large family, and the family is also ready to support. those type of people if 11th lord is in second house. This is one of the ultimate position, guys. You need to know where is your 11th lord. If your 11th lord is in second house, you will become very fortunate in the terms of making money. Lot of money you will make, lot of money you will save. Now I am going to talk about 11th lord is in third house. If your 11th lord is in third house, you are always ready to support your siblings. You have a large circle of friends, but your siblings are not support you. You are ready to support your siblings, and you do something wonders for your sibling. You are very hard worker, very talented. You will get everything after struggle in your life. Easy is not possible if 11th lord is in third house. You will get everything, but after struggle, after hard work. And your childhood age are always struggling, and your young age is very promising if 11th lord is in third house. Your friends are support you, your siblings are support you, but 11th lord is in your third house, always give you the results, positive results after great hard work, great struggle. Now I am going to talk about 11th lord is in fourth house. This is the well placement. You will get a lot of gains in real estate business. You will get lot of gains through your mother. 11th lord is in fourth house. You will gains money through touring business, through any type of journeys will always give you the fruitful result. Those native who have a 11th lord is in fourth house, if they are involved in any type of traveling business or touring business, they will get a lot of name, fame with money, and the source of earning they will very good in foreign land. Even sometime I saw a lot of birth chart, 11th lord is in fourth house, the native is very intelligent and they get a job in foreign land. If 11th lord is in fifth house, this is also very well placement because the fifth house is a Lakshmi Sthan and 11th house is a house of gains. If 11th house lord plays in your fifth house, it means you are very fortunate in the terms of unexpected money. You should invest your money in stock market. You should invest your money in speculation, intraday. You will get a lot of good results, and your love marriage will your love affair will convert in your love marriage. You are highly educated. You are you are very socializing. Your status is very good. You are always focused on your status, and you love your status a lot. You love your good car, good house. You are always find a good friends in your life. And if 11th lord is in fifth house, unexpected money will knock you again and again in your life. If dasha, mahadasha and antardasha is supporting you. 11th lord is in fifth house, your kids will support you. Your kids will always give respect to you, and you will always give respect to your kids. Now I'm going to talk about 11th lord is in sixth house. If 11th lord is in sixth house, some type of debts always is on your head. Once you pay off your old debts, and few months you are in debts, but there is a strong chances you will become a good businessman after struggle. 11th lord in sixth house, you are always involved in any type of litigations, any type of problems, and you will have some health issues which will irritate you. 11th lord is in sixth house, is not very well positioned in the terms of business, in the terms of investments. So those people who have a 11th lord is in sixth house, they try to do job in our business. Don't start any investment in your business, or don't invest your money in anywhere if 11th lord is in sixth house. Now I am going to talk about 11th lord is in seventh house. This is very well placement of your birth chart. You are very lucky in the term of spouse. Your wife is very beautiful, your wife is very charming, your spouse is very beautiful in your social circle. Open enemies, you have a lot of open enemies, but they can't harm you. 11th lord is in seventh house, you have a very good source of earning, your finances are very good, you have a business partner, he will support you a lot, and your business partner will always ready to help you in the all aspects of life. You will earn lot of money, lot of gains, and your wife is always ready to help you. You will become very fortunate after your marriage if 11th lord is in seventh house. You are very fortunate in the terms of wife and business partner, and your good fortune start after your marriage. If 11th lord is in 8th house, this is also a mixed fruit results position. Some type of people I saw, there's a lot of people, they are very spiritual, very hard worker. but his or her life is always disturbed. They are not easily settled in life. If 11th Lord is in 8th house, but they will get small gains in your life. 11th Lord is in 8th house, they may involve in any type of illness. They may involve of any type of legal matters or any type of problems will indicate if 11th Lord is in 8th house. Now I am going to talk about 11th Lord is in 9th house. This is one of the wonderful position. 11th Lord is in 9th house and placed in Trikona Bhav. If 11th Lord is in 9th house, you are very fortunate in the terms of fortune. Good fortune is always ready to give you support. Divine grace always help you. You will settle in foreign land. You will earn a lot of money from abroad. You have a large circle of your friends, and your friends are always support you. You have a you are very creative person. You're very intelligent, very God fearing, and you belongs to very good family. You have a good moral values. You know how to talk with others. You know how to impress people. If 11th Lord is in 9th house, if 11th Lord is in 9th house, you have a lot of spiritual journey. You are very spiritual. You are very near to your religion. You love your religion a lot. If you belongs to Hindu Dharam, for example, you are always visit to any type of religious journey like Kedarnath, Badrinath, Shri Amarnath. And if you belongs to any Muslim religion, you are always ready to go to Makkah. So guys, I'm just telling you ki 11th Lord is in 9th house. A person is very near to our religion. They are very spiritual, God fearing, and very talented. They are very creative. If 11th Lord is 9th house, they may become very good sportsman and artist. If 11th Lord is in 5th house, they will also become very good sportsman or artist, or they will be involved in entertainment industry. So same position, if 11th Lord is in 9th house, you will involve in any type of entertainment industry, and your fortune is always help you, and you will get lot of good gains throughout your life. And if 11th Lord Mahadasha start, and which is placed into 9th house, believe me, you will be sky high. Now I am going to talk about 11th Lord is in 10th house. This is the very well position, because 10th house is your karma and 11th house the fruit of your karma. If 11th Lord is in 10th house, you are very hard worker. You become lot of source of earning. Money will automatically knock you. You will be involved in multiple business, and you are earning. You will earn lot of money from multiple source of earning. You will have large circle of friends. You have ability to organize a big community. You are a person who is very socializing, and due to your network, you may start any big venture with one of your friends or near or dears. And 11th Lord is in 10th house. You have a multiple source of earning. You know how to multiply the money. You know how to deal with others. You know how to you take advantage from your labors, from your known persons. Your father is always support you. You have a long age of your father. If 11th Lord is in 10th house, a native is very calculative, very brilliant mind, and those type of native knows the meaning, real meaning of business, and those type of native know how to multiply the money. 11th Lord is in 10th house is one of the ultimate position. So guys, you need to know which type of placement of your 11th house, because 11th house play a big role in your birth chart. It is a house of your fulfillment of dreams, desires, wishes, ambitions, elder siblings. 11th house is a totally game changer house of your birth chart, because if any native have 11th house dasha mahadasha, it means he will be sky high, he will be top, and he will fulfill all desires, all wishes during the mahadasha of 11th house Lord. Or any planet if placed in 11th house and you have a dasha of that planet, it means you are very fortunate, and you will be sky high, and your all wishes will be fulfilled. If you want to wish, you want to go to settle in America, you want to go settle in Singapore, you want to travel world, your all desires will be fulfilled, because 11th house is strong in your birth chart. So those native, if you have a strong 11th house in your birth chart, it means you are very lucky. God blessings are with you, because 11th house is a house of religious spirituality, intuitions. 11th house is a house of divine grace. I have some practical knowledge about astrology. I saw some birth chart. If 11th house is strong, a divine grace always help those people if they are struggling our life. I give you one example. Suppose you are stuck somewhere badly, and all ways are closed in your life. sudden divine grace will help you and you come out that problem very easily, because 11th house is active in your birth chart. 11th house is directly concerned with divine grace, because this house is a fifth, this house is a seventh from fifth house. And if your Lagan Lord plays in your 11th house, believe me, you're very near to your soul. You are very fortunate. You are very fortunate in the term of making money. You are very, your soul is very pure if 11th Lord is in first house or first Lord is in 11th house. So guys, we need to know which type of placement 11th house Lord in birth chart, because 11th house Lord will make your whole life easy, and a good astrologer consult you, a good astrologer counseling with you and let you know which type of placement of your 11th house in your birth chart. So guys, keep watching astrologer Amit Kapoor. I'm praying for your happy life. Take care, stay positive, stay happy, and say namaste to your parents. Jai Hind.